Today we'll show you how to stream in YouTube with OBS. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first open your Google and open your channel and go here to create and go live. Okay guys, just click and okay, now we have this is a panel. Okay, you can here choose like a schedule for stream like a later or now or after the days or after hours you can choose. But now we need to live now. Okay guys, you can just click now. And okay, this is the first for only the camera. Just open the camera and open the stream without any software, without OBS Studio, without Streamlabs, nothing. Just now we need to streaming with stream software. Okay, just now click to stream software. This is with OBS, with what you want. Okay, just click. Okay, now finally we have this is a panel. Okay, just follow this is the steps. Okay guys, first here you have all this. Did you see? Okay, we need now first here you can change your title and you can put what you want. This is for monetization, this is for customization, you can for subscribing, this is for comments. Okay, you can choose, and this is for name and this is the description. Okay, just now we need to copy, this is stream K to this is OBS. Okay, just now open our OBS, the new panel in OBS. Okay, just now follow this is steps. Okay guys, just now go to setting and go to stream and open here YouTube RTMPC. Just click and click to use K. Okay, just now go here you and copy this is a K and put this is a K here. Okay guys, like this is our K and apply like this. And okay, sorry guys. Okay, and apply. No, this is you can this is just for stream. Okay, and now just go click to stream and you can finally now to starting to live stream. And don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.